Hello and welcome to Odisha Post Live. This is Lopita presenting the news headlines of the day. Additional Chief Secretary, Health and Family Welfare Department Pradipta Kumar Mahapatra received the COVID-19 vaccine jab Friday. Holding up the Additional Chief Secretary receiving the vaccine as an example, the Health and Family Welfare Department took to its Twitter handle to urge people to come forward to receive the jabs. The Chairman and Managing Director of Odisha State Road Transport Corporation and MD of Capital Region Urban Transport, IPS Officer Arun Bothra, has found place in the list of 21 Heroes 2021 selected by Transformative Urban Mobility Initiative. The recipients of this award were honored for ensuring swift transport mechanism to the public during the COVID-19 pandemic, TUMI said in a notification. The annual holy dip rituals at Chandrabhaga beach observed on the occasion of Magha Saptami, the 7th day of the waxing phase of the Odia month of Magha, will be held with limited devotees this year. The India Meteorological Department has plans to set up in Balasore district the first ever thunderstorm and lighting research center in the country. This thunderstorm research test bed will be the first of its kind in India. The test bed will provide important information and updates that can save precious human lives, said IMD's Director General Mrutyunjay Mahapatra. 85 families belonging to 12 villages of Swabhiman Anchal under Chitrakonda block in Malkangiri district have been forced to leave their respective homes due to threats issued by the Maoists. This shocking and painful development came to the fore Thursday. Police have seized the body of an engineering student from a hospital at Khordha town Thursday evening. The deceased has been identified as Tapas Panda, age 25, a resident of Haldia Padar, Badosahi, under Golandhara police limit in Ganjam district. Family members of the deceased have alleged Tapas was murdered in a planned manner. They informed he was a student of a private engineering college in Barampur. RBI Monetary Policy 2021 announcements. The 6-member Monetary Policy Committee, headed by Reserve Bank of India Governor Shaktikant Das, kept the repo rate unchanged at 4%, while the reverse repo rate also was kept unchanged at 3.35%. Investigating the toolkit document uploaded on a social media handle which the Delhi police believe scripted the 26 January violence in the capital, the police are now writing to Google to know the IP address from where the toolkit was uploaded. The Supreme Court granted interim bail Friday to comedian Munawar Farooqui in a case lodged at Indore in Madhya Pradesh. Munawar Farooqui had been arrested for allegedly hurting religious sentiments. That's all for the headlines. To stay updated, stay with Odisha Post Live.